How to add music to Facebook post. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can add music to Facebook post. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device. So once you are here, make sure that you're logged in. From your home page, tap on what's on your mind from the top. Now you can create a post. Here tap on photo or video. Now from your gallery, you have to select the photo or video that you want to post. Once you're done selecting your photo or video, tap on the edit icon from this interface on your left hand side. Once you're on the editing page, tap on the music icon from the menu bar at the top. Now from the music library, you can select one of your preferred music, or you can also search for the song. If you want to play the music, then tap on this play icon on your right hand side, and if you want to select the music, then tap and select the music. After that, you will have again, or you land on the editing page. Now from this timeline here, you can select the clip of the music that you want to add. So you can simply drag this timeline here. Once you have your preferred clip, then you can just leave it and then tap on the done at the top right corner. And then again tap on done. Now you have added the music. If you want to post it, simply tap on post at the top right corner and your post will be added with the music on Facebook. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.